Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your ESS Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search ESS Payroll Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to myess.payroll.ph. It will then take you to the login portal of ESS. There, enter your account code, then enter your username or employee code, then your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your ESS Payroll. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to forgot your password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.